Alliance plans, executes, and oversees projects in the Homeland, including 1. Providing no-interest loans to farmers in Ampare in the Eastern Province that have no capital to cultivate their lands. Farmers who were ready to leave their native lands and find jobs in the city as day laborers were identified by working with local officials. These farmers are part of a cooperative society in Ampare, known as the Thrift and Credit Cooperative Society, TCCS, in which members of the village join together and pool their resources to divide evenly amongst the community based on need. Alliance is funding the cooperative society in Ampare so that we can provide the initial capital these farmers need to cultivate their lands, thereby preventing them from leaving their homes and risk those acres of land being subject to further state land grabs. And it also encourages villagers to work together and revitalize their collective consciousness through the cooperative society and ensure that the farmers have food to eat to face the upcoming economic crisis on the island. The Alliance will encourage more and more cooperative societies to form throughout the Eastern Province. Rather than provide funds directly to individuals, Alliance strongly believes that providing funds to administrative bodies or organizations in the Homeland will not only increase transparency and accountability of those funds to track progress, but also, more importantly, help the GDP of the society increase when capital is given to a village board rather than to an individual. Tamil Diaspora Alliance is also providing the funds needed to plant grains in Mullaittivu to withstand the food scarcity due to the economic crisis our people are currently facing and will unfortunately continue to face for at least the next 3 years. In remembrance of the significance of the month of November, we will be planting trees in the northern province to help mitigate climate change, preserve underground water levels, reduce pollution in the waterways, protect our wildlife, and make sure that our future generation has a healthy environment and homeland to live in. Fourth, infertility is a growing issue in the Homeland. Tamil Diaspora Alliance is funding a government hospital in Mullaittivu to continue to operate an infertility clinic and provide IUI treatments for couples that wish to get pregnant. We are hoping to start increasing the number of infertility clinics in the north and east and stimulate the growth of our population. Recently, a school for 6th, 7th, and 8th graders in Mullaittivu burned down. Alliance will be providing the funds to rebuild the school so that it can open its doors to the students in January of 2022. We are also funding online tuition classes through the Gurukulam Foundation to help students in general knowledge and English, 2 subjects that they were struggling in on their exams.